What's up, dolls? Today's video I am showing you how I do my relaxer. This is my second relaxer for the year 2022. I am 17 weeks post relaxer. What? Wait. I am so hyped. I'm so excited, so excuse my excitement, but let's jump right into this video. So you already know I am using the No Lye Relaxer. Have been using this for years. I love the product. Again, it works good for me. What I am going to be showing you all is what I typically do on my relaxer days, just again showing you what I mix in my relaxer and how again I do my relaxer. If you have not already watched the video prior to this video, you want to go back because it's important that you prepare your hair before just jumping into a relaxer. So that's what I've done, and I'm not going to be talking about it in this video because we're just talking relaxer. So this is what the product looks like. Y'all already know what the ORS looks like. It just comes in this container. We're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Make sure if this is your first time doing your relaxer at home, you are reading your instructions, ladies, because it's important. So of course it comes with gloves. We're going to be using that, just not right away. It also comes with this mixing stick. I'm going to go ahead and start mixing my products. So what it is telling me to do is mix B, which is this boosting exotic like type of oil, you know, whatever. Let's see. It smells delicious. That's what it looks like. All right, ORS, come through with the oils. Y'all know I love me some oils. Again, if y'all have not watched my oil rinse video, definitely go watch that video because it is bomb. It is bomb, good information. Again, anyone can do it with any hair type. You need to know how to do it based on your hair type. And that means whether that is high porosity or low porosity. I am gonna go ahead and move in with my Olaplex #1. This, as I've stated in the previous video, is good to make sure that it just builds those bonds back up. Usually I'll use 1/4, but again, I only have a little bit left. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour all of that in there. And then I'm going to go to my shopping cart really soon so I can remember to definitely buy some more. Now that we have both of those things mixed in or poured into our relaxer, I'm going to go ahead and stir that up. And y'all, I didn't want to show y'all and it gets spilled and go ahead and move this plastic off of here. I hope you all are having a good week so far. Today is the 1st of June, y'all. The 1st of June. Can y'all believe we are already June 1st, 2022? Like, where is the time going? Like, for real, for real. Like, my baby is about to be one years old. I cannot believe that. I can't believe it. All right, so that's kind of mixed in. Now we are moving with our activator, which is B as well. So again, normal strength. That's what it looks like. If y'all done relaxing, then y'all know what this stuff looks like already. But for those, maybe their first time, you know, trying out ORS or whatever, we're gonna go ahead and pour all of that in. All right, so that is in. We're gonna now go ahead and mix all of that activator in along with the oil and the Olaplex. That's what it looks like. Again, looking like butter. One more stir for good measure. So it comes with a conditioner, deep conditioner, as well as your neutralizing shampoo. And finally, but not least, is your leave-in moisturizer, which I love. My hair loves it. I'll go ahead and grab my brush of choice, my gloves as well. So for my hair, it is 15 to 18 minutes. I am going to go ahead and start going through my timer. And I sectioned my hair already in the back, so I'm hoping this is gonna work out.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive.
Giving my true honest opinion, the way that I did this with the whole sectioning made it a little bit more tedious. I have to find another way. In my opinion, it just, the whole sectioning, applying it was good, but just trying to go back in to remove it, I don't know. I'm not really liking that too much. Would recommend, if you do section it, to have maybe someone to help take it out just to speed up the process. But trying to do this and process the hair with your fingers, as far as, you know, making sure that it's smooth, that's just too much tedious. That's too much time that it's taken, unnecessary time, and it's not a day that you want to waste time on.
'Cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same.
Ooh, y'all see them ends. Length check coming soon.
And now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me. All you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this. It's a part of the game. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal, but I ain't lying.